Hello. This is our submission for the Lunar VR Hub, VR Lunar Hub in space. So we can begin. First we have doors. They can be opened by holding your hand near the handle. They can be used for material transport. This is the airlock. This is where astronauts prepare for moonwalks. This is the space storage, like astronaut suit storage. This is the moon equipment. This is where supplies needed for moonwalks are. There are 4 spacesuits, vacuums, and fire extinguishers. There's tools. These 2 boxes contain tools required for repair of spacesuits and lunar equipment. And we got controls. These 2 switches control the light switch and heat inside of the room. Try the light switch. So, light switch does work. And then we got the heat and temperature. We got the vents working. Alright, and we got the main dome. The main dome is where the astronauts work, eat, and use the bathroom. So we got posters. Posters can help mental problems with the astronauts. We got communications. This area is used for communication between the Lunar Hub and Earth through a connection with a satellite dish, which is outside. We got water. This is where astronauts' water is dispensed and can be drunk from these cups. Food. These boxes store food for the astronauts and are put on shelves for space management. So you would take one of the things out, you would put it on the table, and then you would open it up, probably put it in the oven or something, and you can just eat right here. We got the lab table. This center table is used for astronauts to do research. They have scales, microscopes, a clipboard, and a glove box. And we have grabbable objects, items with circle on them, like the equipment below, can be grabbed. And of course, they have moon gravity because we're on the moon. Just don't throw them around too much. AC unit, which is above our head, provides temperature-controlled air to all of the Lunar Hub from the ECLSS, which, speaking of, this is the ECLSS, the Environmental Control and Life Support System, or ECLSS, controls the production of oxygen, refiltering of carbon, and flow of water throughout the entire facility. We got the bathroom. This bathroom is where the astronauts use the restroom. They can take a shower and wash their hands. So, toilet, probably like toilet paper, toilet supplies. We got sink, and we got shower. Alright, moving on. We have another poster, and inside the halls we got a med kit and a fire extinguisher just in case. This is the living quarters. This is where the astronauts' living quarters are. Where they sleep and use the restroom. They have a few separate bunk beds. The beds, this is where the astronauts sleep, but it contains a pillow holder right here on the bottom, privacy curtains right there, and can be folded onto the wall for extra space that can be used for the exercise equipment. So these little beds can be folded up into the wall like this. Lockers. These lockers are where the astronauts' personal belongings are, along with clothes. So we got probably clothes right here, personal belongings, and laptop. Treadmill. This treadmill is specially designed so that astronauts can strap into a band, so like right here, that holds them in place, but it can also be fold up into storage. So these pipes can fold down and you can fold this up into there. Of course, we've got the fire extinguisher, med kit, light switch, and the speaker so that that you can talk in, communicate with others if you are in an emergency or just too lazy to come out here. We got the bamboo room. The bamboo dome is where the astronauts grow their bamboo. The bamboo is used for food and construction work. And then we got lights that can help grow. Light switch, yeah, you know. Med kit, fire extinguisher, speaker. Alright. And we got storage. This is where astronauts can store food, water, and essential equipment. And then ration storage, these 4 little crates. This is where astronauts' food is stored permanently in 4 large containers containing about 2.5 months worth of rations, allowing them to survive until the next shipment comes. And then of course, light switch, you gotta have one. And then outside, of course, we got the solar panel array that collects energy from the sun, which I'm actually blocking right now. Shouldn't do that. And then we got the satellite dish. The satellite dish allows for communication between the lunar base and Earth. And that concludes the tour of our lunar base. Hope you enjoyed.